Chinese, Black Sikhs, Islamic, African, anti-civil, anti-social, anti-national and anti-humanist peoples, witches, satanic barbar peoples, crime doing witches heritage to be preserved by these peoples. That will, if it is this government to support without doing witch hunting, this crime doing, what will be the next government or people's life losing, we cannot say at this stage. That will be horrible days waiting for whole world humanity. World Health Organization's major culprits, if it is Harshavardhan from India that culprit to sit as its president or that president general director, all the bogus criminals, crime doing to compromise the truth, telling lies, doing in conspiracy to this human killing pathogen, developing, suppressing fact and promoting those actions as man-made criminals. And climate change also, that carcinogen surveillance, etc. is the need. This all that militants, religious, that fake human rights group is being, criminals only be used as a ambassador for these institutes in very bad days for the whole world.
Swear her in, Sonia. I feel so
that is starting from that wolves or hyenas Reynolds. That peoples are to dance on the corpse of the mode of the modes, corpse of the world, humanity.
A more hopeful America, and I think today was the first step towards that.